This database query ran 300 times, 4.5 seconds. I add one line. Now it's almost instant. Same query, same data. What changed? So let's see what's going on. Here's a table, a million rows in it. We ask for one specific row, and to find it, the database reads every single row. It starts at the top and checks them one by one until it hits a match. We can even ask it how it plans to find the row. It answers in one word: scan. And it isn't being dumb. With nothing to go on, reading every row is the only honest option it has. That is the 4.5 seconds. A million rows, top to bottom, every time you ask. Now watch what one line does. We create an index on that column. Run the exact same query again. Instant, and the plan changed. Now it says search using an index. So what is an index? Picture the back of a textbook. Without it, you flip through every page to find a topic. With it, you look it up at the back and it points you straight to the page. A database index is exactly that. A sorted directory of the values in one column, kept beside your table, pointing at the rows. Look it up, jump straight there, no reading every row. But why is looking it up so fast? Because the directory is sorted. The database doesn't read it from top to bottom either. It jumps to the middle and asks one question: is my value above this or below it? And throws away half the directory in single step. Then it does it again and again. Each step throws away half of what's left. So you find your row in about 20 steps, not million. If you've done binary search, this is the same idea. Sorted data lets you halve your ways to the answer. The database keeps this as a shallow tree. So each hop grabs one fat chunk from disk, but the feeling is the same. Halving, not scanning. So indexes are magic. Add them everywhere, right? No, and this is the part most people miss. An index is a trade, not free speed. Watch these two queries. Both have an index. Both say search using an index. This one finds one row and it's instant. This one finds 500,000 rows and it crawls. Same plan, same words, 100,000 times apart. Because an index only helps when your query is picky, when it narrows down to few rows. Ask for half the table, and there's no shortcut to take. And there's a second price. Every index you add, the database has to update on every single write. Which is exactly why you don't index everything. And that is where we go next time. You never have to guess at any of this. One word in front of your query. Explain. And the database shows you its plan before it runs anything. See the word scan? That's the warning sign. It's reading everything. Add the right index, run it again, and scan becomes search. Get in the habit of reading the plan. It's how you catch the slow query that's quietly melting your database. And it does melt them. Remember connection pools from last time? A single missing index is one of the most common ways to take a real app down. The slow scans holds every connection until everything times out. One line of code prevents it. Next time, the dark side of indexes. What they really cost you, and when adding one is the wrong move. This channel is for people who want to understand the system they build on, not just use them. If that's you, subscribe, and I'll see you inside the database next time.